A California judge releasing 2 murder suspects without them posting a single penny in bail. Agustin Sandoval and Vicente Aguilera Chavez, both charged with murder in connection with an alleged gang shooting in 2017 that left a 21-year-old dead and a 24-year-old injured. Santa Clara DA Jeff Rosen says that now even more lives are in danger. He joins me now. AG Rosen, in your career as a DA, how often has a judge freed a murder suspect without bail?
This is extremely rare, and I'm really concerned about the safety of our community because these are 2 individuals not only charged with murder, but a murder for the benefit of a criminal street gang. And on top of that, both of these individuals has previously been to prison for other crimes like breaking into people's houses. So I'm really concerned.
So why AG Rosen, would the judge in this case, a judge named Hector Ramon, allow these accused killers back out on the streets? Because I agree with you, this makes no sense.
I think it's really a lack of common sense. The judge got very caught up in the minutia of case law and footnotes and lost sight of really the first question in any of these situations, which is, are these people too dangerous to release? If they are, then they stay in custody, period. And when you've committed a murder for the benefit of a criminal street gang, you need to stay in custody before that is worked out before a jury.
In a motion for Aguilera's release, his defense attorney writing the following: there's no evidence that Mr. Aguilera, especially with supervised release conditions, would present any risk of bodily harm to others. Mr. Aguilera is motivated to clear his name. There's no compelling interest in detaining Mr. Aguilera on public safety grounds or out of concern he is a flight risk. Your response?
My response to that is, this is an individual who went to prison for breaking into people's houses before committing this murder, went to prison for breaking into people's houses after committing this murder, and this is a case that the police department and the DA's office worked on diligently to solve. This is a case from 2017 where it was the only unsolved murder case in a city called Sunnyvale. And so this is a person that obviously presents a risk to the community in that he shot a person who simply made some gang statements in a parking lot in the middle of the night. That's extremely dangerous.
Simply put, do liberal no bail policies get innocent victims killed?
I think this is a situation where the judge misread the law, and the law allows a judge to keep someone in custody before trial. And on top of that, this is a situation where we had a preliminary hearing, a probable cause hearing, and produced enough evidence to hold both of these individuals over for trial on first-degree murder charges with an enhancement for using a gun and an enhancement for being doing this for the benefit of a criminal street gang. So I think the judge just got this completely wrong.
DA Jeff Rosen, I apologize for promoting you to AG a couple times there in the interview segment, but I think we'd all agree my mistake would be California's benefit if you ultimately became AG, but we will leave it there. Jeff, thank you.
I'm Steve Ducey.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.